What's going on, guys? And today I am back with another awesome video. I am back at my favorite pond, but this time it's a little bit different. I got my buddy with me. I don't think you can see him right now. I think he's behind that tree right there. But today I'm going to be using a weightless fluke to start out with. And if you guys are familiar with my videos, you guys know how weedy this pond gets. So I really only can throw something weightless right now in this first half. The second half is a little bit different of a story. I can throw like a chatterbait in there too if I wanted. And I'm sure you guys can tell, but it's windy today. And unfortunately I forgot my good case for my camera and I only have my action case, and that protects it from no wind whatsoever. So I think there's gonna be a lot of wind noise today, unfortunately. But if you guys are new, please subscribe. It would mean so much to me. I come out with videos every week. Well, at least I'm trying to, now that the weather's nice. But as you guys can tell, it's a little bit different from last time I was here. The water level actually rose like 2 feet, believe it or not. But if you look at the shore, the water level usually comes all the way up to this rock. So it's still not quite as high as it should be, but it's getting there, and that's a good sign. Alright guys, I switched over to my action camera now. And it's going to be pretty hard to cast this weightless fluke in the wind. But I'm hoping if I turn my brakes on pretty high, I'll be able to get some good casts. That already feels really smooth. The water here is actually a lot warmer than I thought it would be. It has to be all this dying weeds that are here. The water actually probably feels like 40 something degrees.
Dude, I was out on the end of the vlog, right? And like I threw 5 cats and I was like, I got 3 bags.
Got one!
Yeah!
Nice! There we go! Alright guys, I know the sun's behind me, so this is gonna look pretty dark, but this is my second fish of the year. Again, just a little pickerel, but that's fine with me. I'll catch these all day this time of year. Let's put it back. And the way I was bringing it back into me was actually probably different from what you would think. I don't really believe in working things too slow in the wintertime. I'm sure that helps catch fish, but like in reality, in the wintertime, when like bait fish are fleeing from the bass and pickerel, they're not gonna be moving really slow. They're gonna be darting really quick away. So the bass and pickerel still need to move quick to get bait. So that's why I'm working it in pretty fast. Yeah. Got him. That's a better one. There we go, guys. Right after that first pickerel, I catch this pickerel in. I don't know why, he must have been wrapped up in some weeds when I set that hook, but when I set the hook, my drag slipped. So I thought this guy was gonna be bigger than what he is. Like, man, like I think this thing's like 10 inches, but yeah, let's put it back. Alright guys, this is the fluke that's doing the damage. Yeah, but see this like weed edge?
Yeah.
Probably a 7-8 inch perch came out, dude, and smoked this thing.
Damn. Bro, I'm going right back to that log. Dude, 3 times in a row. Like I told you, I was like, bro, I just saw him, man. He swung and missed.
Oh, my buddy just hooked up right as I was walking by. He says it's a good fish.
she was a weed, bro. It hit so hard. You little bastard. Ah!
Biggest fish of the day right there.
Easy, bro. Easy, easy. Woo! Dude, almost as soon as it hit the water, bro.